Okay. So that looks awesome. How does it feel?
Feels pretty good.
Any more seepage or drainage?
Just a little bit and up here yesterday.
Yeah.
Not much.
Okay. Is it tender at all around the sides, like where I'm pressing?
Slightly, but not more.
Any sensitivity down here,
I can barely feel it
like numbness?
there.
That's a little sensitive?
Yeah.
Okay.
I don't know if that's where they had to go in that side to take that thing out, but this side seems like it's more like sore or sensitive than the others.
Let's put that between the cushions here. We'll do the same thing on the other leg. And so just nice and easy. I mean, that's already, I know you were past 90 degrees before. Remind me, it's how many weeks? Are we at 2?
We're at 10 days.
Yeah, okay. And then pull it back. All the way back if you can. Perfect. And then you kick it out again. So you still have some swelling in that lower area, but that'll keep getting better.
You want me to hold it for anything?
No, just go through the motion. We'll do 10 of them.